Ciao, I'm Stefania. I'm here in my Tuscan kitchen where I give cooking lessons. You can visit my website to get more information about it, pastalpesto.com. Today I'm here and I would like to share with you my delicious tiramisu recipe. Tiramisu means pick me up. It's made with these ingredients: 3 eggs, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a couple of tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 cups of espresso coffee, and 12 Italian ladyfingers, we called savoiardi. Let's start to make it. These are ingredients to make our tiramisu: eggs, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a couple of tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups of espresso coffee, 12 Italian ladyfingers savoiardi, a big plate like that, or 6 singular bowls like that to store our tiramisu, 1 whisk, a couple of silicone spatula, and a couple of stainless steel bowls. First, we're going to divide the yolks from the whites. And now we're going to add 4 flat tablespoons of sugar to the yolks. We are going to transfer the yolk and the sugar in this steel bowl, ready to be mixed. And now, first we're going to start to whip very well the whites by themselves till they are very white and fluffy and firm. And after that we're going to mix very well the yolks together with the sugar till they are very well mixed and very light yellow. Now you see they are very dark, deep yellow. So first we start to mix our whites. Once the whites are well whipped like that, with the same whisk, we're going to mix the yolks and the sugar. So we need to mix till the yellow of the yolks become very pale like that. And now we're going to add the tiramisu to the yolks and the sugar. And we're going to integrate the mascarpone into this creamy mixture. Now the creamy mixture is ready for the whipped whites. So we're going to this time fold in the whites into the yolks, sugar and mascarpone cheese mixture, and this time we're going to use the spatula to fold in them. So the whites are very firm, very fluffy. Now we are going to very gently to fold in with the spatula like that, because we want to keep the lightness of the whipped whites. We need to mix till you don't see these whites. Okay, now the creamy part of the tiramisu is ready, and now we can go ahead by dipping the ladyfingers in the coffee and preparing the base for our tiramisu. And now we're going to place the ladyfingers soaked in the coffee into these little jars and into this plate. We take our coffee, our espresso coffee. We're going to now to dip the ladyfingers into the coffee. We need to be quick because the ladyfingers are very light, so they absorb very quickly the liquid. So in this case, the coffee we are dipping them into. Now we are going to pour on top of the dipped ladyfingers into coffee some of this delicious creamy mixture made with whipped whites, yolk, sugar and mascarpone cheese. So this is almost done, and now we are going to also fill in with ladyfingers, again soaked into coffee, these little jars. It's too short. Too long. Change this, it's a little too short. And now we're going to fill in the middle of these jars with this, again, delicious creamy mixture. So the amount of ingredients we used in this today are exactly the amount we need to make 6 portions of tiramisu. So we're making 2 singular jars and a plate. We can pour on top the rest of this creamy mixture. So for 4 people and for 2 people. And we're going to sprinkle some cocoa powder on top. This is our tiramisu. So this is my tiramisu. The idea of placing it in these little jars is to eat it as an ice cream, so you can easily freeze it. And you can find this recipe in my cookbook. You can buy it on my website, passalpesto.com. Ciao and buon appetito!